We've been making this quick and simple arugula salad with couscous, lemon, and feta a lot lately. We love this salad so much. It's light, easy, filling, and absolutely delicious. Get some pearl couscous, sometimes called Israeli couscous, cooking on the stove. I cook it like pasta and it takes around 10 minutes. While it cooks, make our simple lemon vinaigrette. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and a half teaspoon of honey or other sweetener. To add even more flavor, consider adding a tablespoon of minced preserved lemon, I love it, and some fresh chopped basil. Season with salt and pepper, then add your drained but still warm couscous. Since we add the couscous warm, it soaks up all the flavor in the dressing. Okay, so the couscous has cooled a bit, so it's time to finish our salad. Toss in a bunch of arugula, chopped cucumber, and a couple of ounces of crumbled feta cheese. Enjoy!